A UV robot is basically a cleaning device. It uses UV lights to disinfect. The UV light penetrates the nucleus of the cell and keeps it from replicating, and also causes it to die very quickly. It has every single department, every single room type broken down here. So I would use a terminal clean because that's the kind of clean that we use to disinfect COVID-19 rooms. UV disinfection has a 6-foot radius. So in order to make sure we're covering every inch of a room, we place it on the left side of the bed and run it for an 8-minute cycle. Then we place it in the center of the bed, and then we place it on the right side of the bed. We are UVing every patient's bathroom every day, every common area every day, multiple times a day. This is an extra layer of protection.